points. Hey man,
we got a situation, man.
We're in a gas station, man. Stuck. I'm editing this video, and there's like a gap. I just wanted to fill y'all in real quick. I went to go pick up this Audi S4. Check it, Audi S4, 2010, 130,000 miles on the dash. My homie said he'll tow it for me. Long story short, we get into this altercation. He's talking about some money that wasn't even spoken about. He needs some money. This, you know how it goes, bro. Me, I'm hard-headed, so I'm like, bro, if that's what it is, drop my shit off right here. Straight up, drop it off right here. Man, he dropped it off and we were stuck at the gas station. Man, watch who you call your homies, bro. Hey y'all, I got this 2010 Audi S4. It was in a front end collision on the passenger side. No airbags went off. Control arm snapped in half. Also have another one back here. The bushing shot. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. Got it out. What you gotta do is wrestle back this heat shield. Pull it back so you can get access to get your socket in there. Once you get your wrench, you're good to go. Here's the bolt. Here's the control arm. We're here. I think it's right here, over here, to the left. I think it's over here to the left, man. Ooh. That bushing's kind of iffy. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Now we gotta start pulling it.
Yep.
Hey man.
Hey man.
What's going on, man?
Getting this bullshit
What you got in your hands there, bro?
Ball joint press, man.
Ball joint press?
Or remover, or the fuck you want to call it.
Remover. Already got this one out.
In a matter of 10 minutes we're over here.
So I just gotta pop that out. I'm gonna work on this control arm. Get this strut out the way. Then we gonna be on our way. You feel me? 20 degrees outside, yo. This ain't no joke. Man, we got with us today, man, Tristan the mechanic.
AKA Wheelman.
You're not no wheel man. You have no more wheels. What happened to your car again?
Torque converter possibly took a shit. Turbo possibly could take a shit. That's why it's blowing so much smoke. Or EJ255 things, the ring lands left the chat.
Right.
But I don't know how, because the car drove there perfectly fine.
You don't know how, bro. Oh, it's coming. I see it's moving up.
Yeah. Alright. Then tap it a few times.
Oh shit! I got that on
you
camera.
got that?
Oh
Holy shit!
Oh shit! I got that on
You
camera.
got that!
I got that on camera, man. That's going in there. He said, boom! Now I got room to get into there. Put that M12 in. Hell yeah. Bushing's not the best, but
I'll get the car on the road.
you know, not everything's perfect. Especially when you're pulling parts from the junkyard. Thank you to this A4 donated parts. Appreciate it. What you gotta say, Tristan?
Thank you, little 2.0 shit box.
Terpsky.
That KO4.
You have fun?
That was not that bad.
You ready to throw them back in?
That's gonna be the bitch part.
Successful day, man.
Man, it is snowing. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but
It's snowing.
it's snowing.
We're out here in the jungle.
We're about to head home, go throw this shit in. Hopefully it don't snow too hard while we're out here. Might have to do it tomorrow. Yeah, maybe. It's crumbly.
Bad.
Bad. Now we gotta get this one out. This one's gonna be more of a pain in the ass than this one was. It's just we have no clearance like we did at the junkyard, because the junkyard was sitting up high, so it's a lot easier. More room. My hands are fucking cold.
Man, it's snowing, man. We're out here though. What else could we be doing? Snowing outside. You know? You could be in the house playing video games, watching TikToks. But we out here in the snow.
Come on. Go.
Ooh, it's tight.
It's tight now? Super tight. Oh shit!
How's it going, man?
Man, we got that fucker in there, man.
She's in there. Just turn down the pinch bolt. Got this one in too, but we need to get this 21 figured out. We're almost there though. I'm gonna make this quick video just so I can give some input. I also have something to show y'all if I know where it went. This is my vision board. Me and my girls that I made in 2024. I don't know if y'all see that. That's the Audi joint. But this is something I've been trying to get for years now. Not a year. Almost. It took me about a year to get, but I got it. It might not have been in 2024, but not much you can ask for. Appreciate y'all for watching. Get back to editing. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.